Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. Today we are checking out the best magnetic case for iPhone 17 that combines strong protection with a clean and stylish look. If you want to keep your new phone safe without hiding its beauty, this might be the perfect option. Let's get started. The Joy Room magnetic case for iPhone 17 is designed to give your phone a premium feel while keeping it fully protected. The first thing you will notice is the frosted, transparent back. It lets the original color of your iPhone 17 shine through, which is great if you love the natural look of your device. At the same time, the frosted finish feels smooth in your hand and adds a soft touch that makes the phone comfortable to hold. Joy Room uses high-quality Bayer material in this case. This is important because it helps prevent yellowing over time. Many clear cases start to look old after a few months, but the Joy Room magnetic case for iPhone 17 is made to stay clear and clean. It also has anti-fingerprint properties, so you do not constantly see smudges on the surface. Protection is a big focus here. The case features a buffer airbag structure in all four inner corners. These airbags help absorb shock if you drop your phone, so instead of the impact going directly to your device, the corners take most of the force. On top of that, it has a dual-layer build. The 2mm thick PC backplate protects against scratches and hard impacts, while the TPU soft frame adds flexibility. This makes it easy to install and remove without damaging your phone. Another thoughtful detail is the large camera cutout. The Joy Room magnetic case for iPhone 17 is designed to work with different lens films on the market. That means you can add extra camera protection without worrying about fitting issues. Now let's talk about the magnetic power. This case comes with 27 powerful magnetic cores built inside. That gives you a super strong magnetic connection. It supports magnetic wireless charging, so you can charge your phone easily without removing the case. The strong magnet also works with other magnetic accessories, keeping your phone securely attached and stable. Even with all this protection, the case keeps a slim and lightweight profile. It does not make your phone feel bulky. You get impact resistance, scratch defense, and secure magnetic absorption in one sleek design. Simple, stylish, and strong. If you are looking for solid protection with powerful magnetic support, this is a great pick. Check the price link in the description and see if it matches what you need. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.